Guys, good morning. I don't know what the time is on your time zone, so I want to address a very pressing issue. So this issue has been, it just started newly, and I know that a lot of developers have been facing this issue. A lot of Flutter developers that upgraded their macOS to the latest Sequoia that was released last week. So I had the same issue because normally I don't rush into updates, but I don't know what actually happened, and my system got updated and I noticed that I can't actually build my former project. So for those of us experiencing this issue, the interesting thing about this issue is that you go online, you still see that it's the same problem that you are facing, that every other person is facing. This is the proof that I'm using the latest Mac OS. This is my system update. This is Sequoia 15, and also on my system, is almost impossible that system is required, and system is based on Swift 6. So this is my Xcode. It says 16 here, but under the hood is 15. I'm going to show you that and how I was able to go get away around it. So when you go online, most of the packages home build, like this Firebase. This, for most of us facing this issue, is one of the common issues. You see the line keep on scrolling down, you keep on changing your pod file, building, deleting, still the same issue over and over again. So the thing is that with the release of Swift 6, on my system, I took some of the screenshots when I was having that issue. This is my Xcode. You see, same issue. So there's it. When you go online, still the same issue. See, the Flutter upgraded, blah blah, still facing the same issue. It will force you to upgrade to Xcode 16, and after the whole thing you're unable to build. This is it. A can of foam. It doesn't still solve that problem. It is able to build, but it causes issue in production, and most times the app will first to build. Okay, you can see the problem is endless. See, keeps on. This is it. So this is the solution that we're profiling, that you go here and change this to yes on your Xcode, but you can see is not recommended. Like, is not even think about doing it. This somebody asking that, saying that this is a temporary workaround. I also tried it, and the project I was working on, it did not even work. Okay, so like I said, so this is why there's the issue we are facing. When you go around it, you see that almost the same issue you're facing, everybody's facing it. The solution that I pick on common is this, and this doesn't solve the problem. Another solution is to downgrade your macOS to Sonoma, so that you'll be able to use macOS 15.6. So to prove to you, I showed you this, and I'm using 15, even though it's showing 16 here, but it's 15. So let me show you a couple of things. So when I go to my app store, when my app store opens, and I search for Xcode. Let's see. When Xcode comes up, you see that. But on my tools here, there is Xcode. This is because it's 15 and Sequoia needs you to have 16. But on my Xcode here, okay, it's saying 16. So I'll show you how I went about it in order to be able to build my old Flutter project, because with Xcode 16 and Swift is being the default, even though you change it to Swift 5.4, or it won't still work because of the restrictions placed around it. I know Flutter team is still working. It's still working on it currently. Firebase package is still having issues. They are still collecting data on that. So when I hit on my Xcode, I go to my settings. Okay, when I go to my settings, you notice something. The latest I have here is 17.5. Even when I click here that I want to change my iOS, okay, you will not see 18.0. 18.0 has to do with Xcode 16. That's to tell you that what I'm actually using here is 15. Because if it was 16, you would have seen update to you would have seen 18.0 here, and with that you'll be able to get the simulator for iPhone 16 and co. But because I'm using 15, that's why I'm getting this option here. Okay, that's to tell you that I'm using Sequoia, but I'm still able to use 15 in order to be able to build my project. So hang on guys while I show you how I did that. So a couple of solutions to this is that number one is that you can have multiple Xcodes on your system. You can have 15 on system. When you want to do projects, you choose the one you want to use. I don't want to use system 15, but because my system, the memory is limited 256 SSD, I decided to just stick with 15. And also with the current situation we have with Flutter project building on Sequoia, I just decided to stick with that 15. So how I did it, like I said, if I go to my app store, you see that I'll search for Xcode. You see that still gives me the option to go and download. That's because I don't have 16 installed on my system. What I have is 15. Okay, this is it. So when I click on it, you see it's about to start downloading. Okay, like I said, I'm running out of space. See, it's asking me for additional space. That's why I decided to stick with 15, not to have the two Xcode on my system. So how you resolve this issue is that, first of all, hang on guys. So like I said, we need to download Xcode 15. So for you to do that, this is where I was searching for how to do that. I will paste the link to all the resources in the comment section. Okay, so this, if you want to download an older version of Xcode, so based on what it says here, you need to sign in with a free developer account in order for you to download that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign into my account. Okay, I don't know, it's taking time. It's coming. Okay, while I wait for it to sign in. Okay, this was 11 years ago. Okay, this was updated 2021. That's nice. Okay, let's check. Still taking time to sign in. God. So the next thing is to download. Since the first thing is to make sure after the update you should have system installed. So the next thing is to install an older version of Xcode. So you have 16, so you have to install 15 because 15 was what was working with your system before the issue happened. So you have to install 15. So but don't delete the 16 if you already have it. You still have to keep both. There are some files that you need in order to make this work. So this Stack Overflow. So we need to go to our developer account in order to download an older version of Xcode. Says require signing in with your free Apple developer account. This post was made 13 years ago. Wow. Then modified 3 years ago. Okay, this year 2021. So I've already signed into my account, so I have to scroll down till I get 15. Xcode 15. Yep. Okay, this beta version release candidate. Okay, this is exactly what we need. This is very stable. So what you're going to do is that I'm not going to download it into my system because I'm already running out of space. So you download it, is going to come as a zip file. You click on it to start downloading. Yeah, it's downloading. So going to stop it because I don't actually run out of space on my system. Okay, so going to stop it. So what's going to happen is that when you download it, it's going to come as a zipped file, and you're going, depending on where your download location is, if it's your download folder. So after it has finished downloading, you're going to see it as a zipped file. So what you're going to do is that please pay attention to these steps. So number one is that you're going to go to your application folder. Note you already have Xcode 16 installed. So what you're going to do is that go to your Xcode 16, rename it, give it okay, then I'm going to paste them on the comment section. So with these two commands, so this is, I wish I can zoom this. I can actually zoom it. Okay, so this is the first one. This first one says sudo Xcode select s. So this is actually pointing to the Xcode that we just installed, okay, on the download on the application. This is actually pointing to it. Okay, this is in application. Okay, so this is actually pointing to it. Application Xcode content developer. You copy this command and paste it on your terminal. So let's see, copy this command, our terminal, we paste it, we run it. We said sudo sc command not found. There's a mistake. There's this star based on what I copied. It's trying to, and delete that. I run it. It asks for my password 1358. I can't believe I was almost mentioning my password. When you've done that, now this command will help you to accept the license. Okay, copy this command, go to your terminal, paste the command. You see, almost repeating the same error again, and that's it. It has accepted the license. So all you need to do now is open your Xcode, and voila, you are good to go. So you just open your Flutter project, just to prove to you. Like I said, when Xcode opens, is to see 16, but under the hood, like I said, when you go to settings, you see this is the proof that we are using Xcode 15. You click on add, check this, select your simulator, build your Flutter project. This iPhone 15 Pro simulator, and that should solve your problem. Thank you guys. If you have any problem or any difficulty, don't hesitate to drop a comment in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. This is actually my first video, so I would want you guys to subscribe in case you have anything in mind you want me to work on. I'll be willing to jump on that. Thank you for your time.